this little S curve and this little culvert here, and I'm listening to water, and I'm seeing this these reeds and bulrush and willow trees, and I'm driving by and I'm hearing, listen to that, there's a creek coming through here too. I knew on the other side, but I didn't think it came through here, but I guess it does. It goes up underneath the road. Look at that water. There's lakes up above, Dave, and I guess the fish come down here. I bet you that water's pretty clean. What? All the different shapes of these hills makes you think of figures. So it comes through here, the river comes through here, rushing through in the culvert. Ain't that beautiful? Amongst these willow trees. Wow. I bet you that water's really clean. Really clean. I'm not sure of these plants with the yellow flowers on them, but I know that's bulrush behind it. Sage down here. It might be just, these are probably just sage. Let me smell it. Yeah, it has a sage smell. These are sage blossoms. Yeah, sage blossoms. We are indeed in the Old West. The Old West in the 21st century. And here am I with my Bigfoot, California. I've got nothing to prove. Thanks for hanging with us, guys.